You need to pray about it. You need to investigate. Trust, but verify, church. Trust, but verify. Don't foolhardily place your children in the care of somebody because they say all the right Christian things. Discern, pray, make sure you know that you know that you know, and then make an informed decision. Also, the charitable foundation treasurer in Texas was sentenced to 7 years for wire fraud. Thomas Calhoun Bain was ordered to pay back $1.7 million in restitution. Churches, again, we need to trust, we need to verify. When we have business leaders within our church congregations, we need to make sure they're doing the right thing. Not that we want to stick our religious thumbs on them, not that we're trying to squeeze them. The way to keep an honest person honest is to check and make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. God bless you all. Be sure to hold this up. You know, it's our news headlines about the good, bad, and ugly, so that you can pray accordingly, so that you can be informed, and so that you